Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by verifying essentials so the fix works reliably. Check your iPad model and iOS version in settings because steps vary slightly by generation. Once done, clean the finger you'll register. Oil or moisture causes failures, so wash and fully dry for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure you have a quick backup available. This process won't erase data, but backups protect you. Now go to Settings, Touch ID and Passcode, or Face ID and Passcode, and authenticate to begin the reset and re-enrollment workflow. You will remove the old imprint and then create a fresh, accurate fingerprint. First, delete the stored fingerprint in settings so you start with a clean slate. This prevents partial matches. Next, choose Add a Fingerprint and place the fingertip on the home button or sensor. Press lightly, then lift repeatedly, rolling slightly to capture edges and center. Make sure you vary angle and pressure as the prompts request so the sensor learns every ridge. If prompted, add an alternate finger for redundancy, and finish enrollment by following the on-screen cues. Finish by testing unlocks and any functions tied to Touch ID like Apple Pay. Try several attempts to verify consistency. If recognition remains poor, restart the iPad and check for an iOS update because software patches can fix sensor issues. If problems persist, gently clean the sensor with a lint-free cloth and a small amount of 70% isopropyl. Avoid soaking. As a final troubleshooting tip, remove and re-enroll the fingerprint again, varying angle and pressure. This often resolves stubborn mismatches and restores reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.